Here let's unbox the Nothing Ear One earbuds. And it comes in this very well packed box. After opening the wrapper, we are get credited with this box. After opening the red color tag, we are get introduced to a new silver color box. After opening that, we are finally greeted with the Nothing Ear One earbuds. The unboxing experience was literally different from other earbuds what I unboxed. And then keeping that earbuds aside, we also get some Type-C connector, two USB. Also, we also get some extra ear tips, also some booklets. Now, talking of the earbuds itself, my first thoughts on holding the case. I don't personally like a rectangular case. I don't prefer to a rectangular case because it looks weird when you put that in your pockets. Other than that, the earbuds design, I am totally impressed on that whole design. Very well great designed from nothing because it's just a transparent design and it is awesome. Also, it's unique. That's the main point to note. After hearing some hours with it, the sound design, the way they created, also amazing. The sound tuning, personally appreciate the way it sounded. Actually, I never expected, but it sounded just like my WF-1000X3s, which cost double the price of these earbuds. So I'm totally impressed with these earbuds. Other than that, talking of the noise cancellation. Noise cancellation is surprisingly amazing too. I got to hear get a great isolation with this noise cancellation, which is amazing. Also, it has transparency mode, which it isn't as useful, I would say, but maybe it might be useful for some of you guys. And other than that, it also has touch controls. Again, I'm not a big fan of touch controls. I admit this to you guys because touch controls is touch controls. Physical buttons are always greater than touch controls. So I'm a big fan of that. Physical buttons rather than preferring touch controls. Other than that, we also get support to a new application called Nothing Ear One after paring it down with that. You get also get to introduce to a lot of new features that you can customize it right there. Like you can customize the touch controls. Also, you can customize EQ level. But there are four pre-designed EQ levels out there, so you can't pretty well go in and change a lot of EQ levels or do your custom EQ levels, which is something I see it as a con. So maybe they might fix it in the future updates, but who knows? For now, it's the same. And other than that, let's talk the pricing. It is being priced for around 6,000 rupees in India. Actually, it is priced very well low as compared to the other countries' pricing. So, which is great work, nothing. Actually, wait, after seeing the pricing and hearing to the music, I'm really quite impressed with this. I thought it won't sound as great as my WF-1000 XM3s, but they made me wrong. It is sounding amazing. Actually, I would prefer these earbuds rather going for WF-1000 XM3s or WF-1000 XM4s, to be honest. Yes, you might get some extra features out if you go for that, but then I don't know why this is more value for money than those. Also, it has wireless charging, which I don't use it, so I can't comment on it. Also, battery life, I had just to use it for around 24 hours, so I can't moreover test on this battery life. So if you guys want a full review on this, let me in my comment section down below so that I will manage to do a review on that if you guys want me to. Other than that, that's it pretty well. Actually, I'm totally impressed. That's all about it. Also, it has Google's fast pair. Whenever I opened it for the first time, it popped out on my smartphone. So that's a good addition, I would say. And also, they have a physical pairing button, also, which makes a lot easier to pair to a new device. Also, that's a great thing that I personally thought. Other than that, everything seems like a good deal for me, according to me, after using it for around 24 hours with it. If you guys want a full review, again, I'm asking because I don't have personally one. So this isn't mine. But again, if you guys want a full review on that, I'll make sure to post one. If you guys want me, comment down below. Other than that, that's all my first impressions and my unboxings on this Nothing Ear One earbuds. That's all.